Today, we'll explore the best ultrasonic cleaners on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're looking to clean jewelry, glasses, dentures, or even gun parts, these top-rated machines offer a range of features to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number one on my list is the Ultrasonic portable cleaner machine priced at $29. This model offers a generous capacity of 22 ounces, which is perfect for cleaning items like glasses, jewelry, and dentures. With a powerful 48 kHz frequency and 40 watts of power, it effectively removes small strains from various surfaces. The machine is versatile and suitable for cleaning everything from eyeglasses and jewelry to tooth retainers and razors. It comes with 2 time modes, allowing you to choose between 5 and 10 minutes for optimal cleaning. Its high-end waterproof surface ensures durability and provides a premium tactile experience. Users rave about its performance, particularly praising its ease of use and effectiveness in cleaning jewelry and glasses. However, some reviews mention it struggles with plastic frames and requires multiple cycles for tough stains. One user highlighted its excellent cleaning power for rings and glasses, which came out sparkling after use. Overall, this ultrasonic cleaner is a reliable and affordable option for daily use. Second on the list is the VEVOR Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner, which costs $71. This industrial-grade cleaner has a substantial capacity of 3 liters, making it ideal for larger items. It features a powerful 120 watts of ultrasonic power and an additional 100 watts of heating power, ensuring thorough cleaning. The advanced transducer technology enhances cleaning efficiency, making it perfect for items like jewelry, eyeglasses, and small mechanical parts. Its digital control panel allows for precise time and temperature settings, with time options up to 30 minutes and temperatures reaching up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine's durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity and reliability. Users appreciate its outstanding performance, especially for cleaning gun parts. However, some users find it quite noisy and note that the heater takes time to warm up. Despite these minor drawbacks, its powerful cleaning capabilities and sturdy design make it a popular choice for more demanding cleaning tasks. One reviewer mentioned that it effectively removed dirt from gun parts that other cleaners missed. So this ultrasonic cleaner is a great investment for those needing a robust and efficient cleaning solution. Third, we have the Magnasonic Professional Jewelry Cleaner, available for $39. This model features a 20-ounce stainless steel tank and uses 42,000 Hz ultrasonic sound waves to clean items thoroughly yet gently. It operates with a digital display and offers 5 preset cleaning cycles, making it incredibly user-friendly. This cleaner is environmentally friendly, requiring only tap water for most cleaning tasks, which means you don't need harsh chemicals. It is perfect for cleaning jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, coins, and even dentures. Users love its ability to make jewelry and small items look new again, although some note it doesn't remove heavy tarnish. One reviewer praised its performance in cleaning wedding rings and necklaces, highlighting its ease of use. However, another user mentioned that it requires multiple cycles for older jewelry with set-in blemishes. Its compact size and quiet operation add to its appeal, making it a convenient option for home use. Despite some noise during operation, placing it in a different room can mitigate this issue. Overall, it's a highly effective and affordable cleaner for small to medium-sized items. Next, we have the Ultrasonic Cleaner by Rengue, priced at $269. This high-end model features a 30-liter capacity, making it suitable for professional cleaning tasks. It delivers 600 watts of ultrasonic power and 500 watts of heating power, ensuring deep and thorough cleaning. The advanced transducer technology and precise digital control panel enhance its efficiency and ease of use. It is ideal for cleaning items with complex surfaces such as carburetors, metal parts, jewelry, and eyeglasses. Users commend its performance, particularly for cleaning professional tools and carburetors, though it is noted to be quite loud. One reviewer mentioned that it effectively cleaned 19 carburetors with excellent results. However, noise level is a common concern, with some users placing it in a closed closet to reduce the sound. Despite this, its durable stainless steel construction and powerful cleaning capabilities justify its higher price. Another user highlighted its precise heating, which makes the cleaning process more efficient. This ultrasonic cleaner is a top choice for those needing a heavy-duty cleaning solution for complex items. Finally, the InvisiClean ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is priced at $69. This model is known for its professional grain results and user-friendly design. It features a sturdy stainless steel tank and intuitive controls, making it easy to operate. The cleaner is effective for a variety of items, from jewelry and eyeglasses to small tools and electronics. Users appreciate its quiet operation and automatic shutoff feature for added safety. One reviewer praised its ability to clean everything from jewelry to gun parts, noting its efficiency and ease of use. However, some users have mentioned a slight plastic smell during operation, which can be concerning. Despite this, its compact design and reliable performance make it a valuable tool for thorough cleaning tasks at home. Another user highlighted its heating element, which helps to enhance the cleaning process, especially for heavily soiled items. Overall, this ultrasonic cleaner offers great value for its price, delivering professional quality cleaning results with minimal effort. So, in conclusion, each of these ultrasonic cleaners offers unique features and benefits, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a compact, user-friendly model or a robust professional-grade machine, there's an option here that will help you achieve sparkling clean results with ease. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.